Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and I'm here with our Live at Noon for Tuesday, May 12th. Today we have a lot of new items that have just come in. I want to start with our Notions box here. We have a great new pattern called Elf and Around that will be perfect for the Christmas fabric that's sure to be arriving soon. Our Christmas stuff usually starts coming in May and comes through August. So look for those Christmas lines soon. I know it feels crazy. And the crazier thing is that we order next year's Christmas before this year's Christmas gets here. But this is something to be thinking about for Christmas time. We also got in some tiny little 28mm replacement blades for those little cutters that I've been talking about on my lives from home. We have lots of new colors of Aurifil and Gutermann thread in here. Let's see, we've got a blue and a turquoise in Aurifil, and we have about 12 different colors, maybe 15 different colors of Gutermann thread you can see sitting right in there. So these will all be restocked for you just after this. And now let's get to the good stuff, the fabric. Over in this box we have Andover. And what we've got is linen texture reorders. Let me find you one of these to pop open so you can really appreciate this texture. This is one of those top 3 blenders that we sell and sell and sell. It has the look of linen as if it's been woven, but it is actually a print. So let me show you the back of this. It's just printed right on the fabric. So it has the look of cross-woven fabric, but the sturdiness and stability and ease of use as a regular printed cotton. So we've gotten that in several reordered colors. We've also gotten a few orders of dimples. This is an older line by Andover, but it remains true to the test of time. This one I like because it kind of reminds me of a golf ball surface or a basketball surface. It's just a perfect blender for almost any occasion, any quilt. So we have a lot of linen texture reorders and a few dimples here in this box. You can kind of see all the different colors we've got going here. We have dimples in black, we have dimples in white, and of course the linen texture comes in a whole rainbow of colors. Pretty much any color you can think of, they make in linen texture. Over on this side we have Grunge and Vanilla. This is also one of our biggest sellers. Grunge is one of our top 3 blenders. Grunge, linen texture, and palette are the top 3 for us. And this is, you just can't go wrong with this fabric. I've got yards and yards of this at my house. I use it for lots of projects. We also have reorders on Bella Solid's Off-White, a nice kind of creamy vanilla color. So that's a solid fabric by Moda. And we've also got in more of the 910, Pellon 910, which is the sew-in featherweight interfacing that I use in my homemade face masks and that I show in my videos. So these are 30-yard bolts. We've got 5, so 150 more yards of the Pellon 910. We are limiting that to 10 yards per person per order so that it lasts a little longer for all of our mask makers. So that's what we have for today. I hope you'll stay tuned tomorrow. I'll be working from home Wednesday, and it's about time for me to start on my t-shirt quilts for my 2 high school senior twin boys. So I may be showing you some of the tips and tricks that I use when making t-shirt quilts. Some of you may know that my very first business was making t-shirt quilts, and I've made literally thousands. So I may show you some of my quick tips and tricks for making t-shirt quilts on Wednesday. Thanks for watching and have a great Tuesday.